Today, I'm excited to share a drone shoot with you. Starting right from my house as we take a drone tour over the beautiful landscapes of Hethersett. Hethersett is a pretty village with lots of houses, tall trees, and green spaces everywhere. People here are super friendly, and it's a quiet place where families live. There are parks to play in, and it's such a nice place to walk around. One of the best spots in Hethersett is the King's Head pub. And just on the other side is the Queen's Head pub, which is very close. That I'll show you in my upcoming videos. As we move through the village, you will see the roads leading to Wyndham. I just love this place. Now, check out this beautiful field. It's all empty because the harvest is done. The crops have been collected, and you can see the beautiful field everything used to grow. It's nice to see how hard the farmers are working to bring food to our tables. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy my village. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.